Hey guys, Brett Johnson, Lab Manager at Superfici America. Today we're going to go over the three main differences between the Mini and the Mini Plus spray machines. So the Mini uses a laser reading system where it's going to spray the entire working width of the pieces that you put on the in-feed conveyor. So if you put 10 small pieces on the in-feed conveyor, it's going to spray all the way from the left to the right without turning off in between those pieces. The Mini Plus has an LED reader bar system where we take an image every 10 millimeters and we're able to turn the guns on and off where there are not parts. Number two is the Mini Plus gives you the ability to do our one-touch automatic color change. And what that allows you to do is to go from pump A to pump B at the simple touch of a button. And number three, probably the most obvious difference between the two is the height of the machines. The Mini Plus has an additional roof section on it. What that's going to do for you is that's going to control the overspray inside the cabin, and it's also going to clean the atmospheric air that you're introducing into the spray machine as well. If you have any more questions about the Mini Plus, or making a decision between the two, feel free to contact your local sales representative or visit our website.